Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by narrowing to one clear idea and recording the hook first. This locks attention in the first 3 seconds and raises retention. Once done, capture 3 tight takes that match your beats so editing is faster. Make sure lighting and framing are consistent and use a lapel mic or close phone placement for clean audio. You'll save time later by labeling clips immediately, so editing feels like assembly rather than discovery. You now focus on rhythm, cut on movement or audio transients to keep momentum. Once done, align short clips to the music's beats and tighten timing so each shot delivers new information within 2 to 4 seconds. Make sure captions are short, synced, and high contrast for mobile viewers who watch muted. Also apply simple color and exposure adjustments for cohesion. This helps your content feel professional without overprocessing. You finish by optimizing metadata and preview. Write a concise title that matches search intent, add a few targeted hashtags, and set a compelling first frame. Once uploaded, engage quickly with comments and watch retention metrics for the first 48 hours. If watch time is low, re-edit the first 3 seconds or swap the thumbnail and reupload as a new short. This is your key troubleshooting move. Make sure to experiment and iterate until retention improves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.